Plancentric is a London-based software company that focuses on creating cloud business applications. We actually do a lot in the digital agency and creative space, as well as software companies. It's an up-and-coming and fast-growing space, and our core focus is resource planning. SMEs are constantly juggling resources on activities, and it's usually done either on spreadsheets or chaotically in someone's head. And what Plancentric does is it allows them to very simply, very easily go in and plan, schedule resources and look at utilization in a much more efficient and productive way.
We were looking for a time management tool that was scalable for the business. Cost was key, so this software as a service, SaaS service, was really important to us. Benefits we've seen from day one, just how simple it was. My team can just go in, drag and drop the hours they've spent against a client, and that's it, it's done. The second element that's really useful, obviously, from that is reporting, and we're able to show the team these graphics, which helps them understand the relationship between the hours they've used and the costs we're incurring.
The business desktop has been a tricky one for years. It's been a lot about, let's just get a product developed and get it out there, and it has to meet business requirements. We start to see a lot larger enterprise businesses now taking Silverlight on as a platform. It's enabling them to think more about the experiences of their employees and how to make them more efficient with their day-to-day jobs.
We tried to create Plancentric about 4 years ago in HTML. From a performance perspective, it was unusable. And it wasn't until Silverlight emerged that we could actually bring large amounts of data into a web application, making it more accessible, portable and usable. Even more importantly, it's a SaaS app, so they're actually using a browser connected to a data center and running their business remotely.
We're an agency, so we use Macs and PCs, and we're using all range of browsers and platforms, and it works perfectly on all of them.
It's always a nightmare creating software across different browser versions, different platforms, and Silverlight allows us to do that very easily. Creating rich user experiences is something that we've really focused on, and we can actually use Silverlight to create something special in a browser.
No longer is it acceptable to just slap a grey box application in front of their users. Silverlight enables you to provide them with a rich experience as well, to hopefully make them more efficient.
Plancentric's a really rich interface, so it makes it very graphic and interactive for our users. It's given us complete visibility of where the hours in our business are going, which is changing the attitude of the team, which is really superb.
What's even more pleasing to us is that clients are using it, clients are adopting it, and it gives us a platform to build and grow and evolve. We are a Microsoft Windows Phone 7 launch partner with 2 apps on the marketplace. And because Plancentric was designed and built in Silverlight, it allowed us to port some of that code over into the Windows Phone 7 app and go from specification to certification in about 7 weeks, which is absolutely unheard of. Technology is constantly changing, and it's always a battle for software companies to keep up with it. So it's hugely critical for us to future-proof our software. The performance and cross-platform capability of using Silverlight is unrivaled.